Hello, my name is Lizeth Acosta. I am 21 years old. I am studying psychology of the UNAM. Following the guide activity, I am going to type this video about the movie of one day. His gender is drama with romance and little bit of comedy. Synopsis. The story begins in Scotland. Death and Emma are lying in bed talking about their plans for the future. Death is interested in traveling, while Emma is more concerned with her long-term plans. Um, Her apartment is small and shabby. She has many artist photos, and seems to be making statement with all of her art the books. He views her room as manifesto of sorts. He imagines that she hates the word voyeur, but he likes work and the security in place. He has he has spent a great deal of time with Emma, finding her in work plans. That vision of his future is not very clear. He hopes to be successful, but Mowgli wants to have fun. She fell in love with him after they has spent a lot of things, but a lot of years with that was enjoyed for the from. With the years that finally fall in love with Emma, they have a little girl, and unfortunately, Emma has an accident and dies. He regrets a lot for the lost time without her. What I learned to value everything in life, and especially every person that we know. I learned about how fast is possibly to lose someone. I learned that it's important every moment plan the things to success my dreams. How it made me feel. I feel a lot of love coming from the protagonist. I realize about I have to evaluate more the time with my partner, relation with my career. It has this direct relation with my career in the way that the how we have a relationship and how it work in the society. About resilience is much better to close every cycle types of personality that makes the empty existence in full stuff. And the end, the people try to fill that empty space with bad habits. Thank for your attention.